There are several mouse and keyboard shortcuts that you can use when displaying data. If you drag from left to right in a display, you zoom in on the x-axis. If you drag up and down, you zoom in on the y-axis. And if you drag diagonally, you zoom on both the x and the y. If you hit backspace, you can undo your zoom operations back to where you originally were. It is also possible if you hold down the Shift key and drag in the display to pan from left to right in a display. You can do the same thing when you hold down the Shift when you pan up and down. You can hold down the Control key and press on the scroll wheel to zoom in and out on any given axis. You can also hold down the Control key to resize the display, so you can make it smaller or narrower. When you right-click holding down the Control key and pick Mouse and Keyboard Tips, it comes up with a list of all the keyboard and mouse shortcuts for you. Thank you.